Hi, need to know how to change keyboard language on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As a first step, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named General Management. Click on it, and here we would need to go to this tab Samsung Keyboard Settings. As a next step, Languages and Types, and here Manage Input Languages. So in this list, we would need to find the language that we would like to add to our keyboard. As you can see, currently I have only English. Here you can see the list, but if you don't want to scroll everything, click on this search icon and here type in the name of the language. So here I will click on the slider to add Russian. And now we click search and go back 2 times. And this is it. Now you can see the Russian also on the list of languages. And now let's test it. I'll open any application with a search bar. Here, click on it, and to switch a language, we would need to click on this globe icon that you can see on the keyboard. By clicking on it, you will switch between all available languages on your keyboard. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.